Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to use the trending TikTok effect called freeze frame slow zoom, like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. This would really help me and the channel very much. So to begin with, let's open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover. In the search bar, type in freeze frame slow zoom. In the search result, you should see the freeze frame slow zoom under effects. Tap on it. Now below you can see all the examples how people use the freeze frame slow zoom. Once you're ready to shoot, tap on try this effect. Now tap on add sound at the top. Search for Hope Twister and select any of the three from the list depending on how long you want to make your video. Now record your video, and just as the chorus starts in the music, tap on the screen and keep pressing it. The screen should slowly zoom into the subject. Once you're done, it should then take you to the next screen. If not, then tap on the tick. Now here, add your stickers and text and then post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to use the trending TikTok effect called freeze frame slow zoom. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.